Today, we're going to open up an AirPods second generation that was sold as a genuine Apple AirPods. But what I found inside was truly surprising. This AirPods second generation is completely dead. It won't power on, and even the earbuds show no response at all. First, let's connect it to a charger and see what happens. Unfortunately, there is no charging indicator light, no sign of life whatsoever. We'll leave it charging for a while and see if the battery recovers. Well, no luck. It's still completely dead. So now, let's open it up and find out the truth. Is it an original Apple AirPods, or just a fake copy? Let's see what's inside. Opening this device is not easy at all. First, I'm removing the top cover. The main case is locked from both sides, and there is almost no space to insert a tool. So, I'll carefully cut a small section on one side to gain access. There we go. Now the case opens much more easily. Looking at the internal circuit board and overall setup, it's immediately clear that this is not an original Apple AirPods. It's actually a copy product. Even so, let's see if we can bring it back to life. First, I'm checking the battery inside the charging case. The multimeter shows no voltage at all, which means the battery is completely dead. So, I'll remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. And there it is. The indicator light has come back on. That means the main board is still working properly. Now I'm reinstalling the board back into the case. Since this unit is quite old, the outer finish of the case has become worn and discolored. I'll clean and restore it to improve its appearance. Next, I'm repairing the section that was cut during disassembly. The lid hinge is reinstalled correctly, and the entire circuit assembly is placed back into the main housing. The earbud holder inside the lid is also reinstalled in its original position. Now the charging case is fully restored and ready for use. Next, I'm opening both earbuds one by one. After checking the batteries inside, I found that neither of them has any usable voltage left. The batteries are completely dead. So I'm disconnecting the old batteries and replacing them with new ones. If you attempt this repair yourself, always make sure to connect the positive and negative battery terminals correctly. To secure the new battery, I'm wrapping it with tape and placing it carefully inside the earbud before closing the speaker cover. Now let's test everything. The charging case powers on perfectly. Time to place both earbuds back into the charging case and see what happens. Yes. As you can clearly see, both earbuds are showing red charging lights, which means they have entered charging mode successfully. That confirms the repair was successful. Both the charging case and the earbuds are working again. I hope you enjoyed this restoration video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.